Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Jay here with jaysonlinereviews.com, and in this video I am going to show you step by step how to start a business online promoting other people's stuff or products or services as an affiliate marketer. And if you're not familiar what affiliate marketing is, I am going to go over that, what the definition is, and take you through that in a second here. I'm going to begin this video by letting you know that I have a free course. So if you like what you see inside this video, I got a lot more videos like this inside my free course, and there's about 7,000 words of content that show you how to get started with your new affiliate marketing business. A lot of good videos, a lot of good content. It's a must-see, but it's going to be that first link under the video description box. Click that and sign up with your favorite email address, and I'll send you over that course via email ASAP. So with that being said, let's dive in here and let's show you step by step how to start your own online business as an affiliate marketer promoting other people's stuff, and you're going to get paid well for it when you convert your leads into sales. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services online via your affiliate link. Now when you sign up for these affiliate networks, which I'm going to go through here in a second, I'm going to show you some really good affiliate networks to sign up with for free to get you started to find lucrative products and services that you can promote. Well, what they're going to do when you sign up for them, you're going to get your own personalized affiliate link, and that's coded to you. So when somebody clicks on that link and they end up buying whatever you're promoting, whatever particular product or service that you're promoting, you're going to get a commission for referring that particular sale. Now, depending on what you're promoting, some products like digital products, like through ClickBank here that you're looking at on the screen, they usually pay between 40% and 75% commissions. And then you can also get paid, like when somebody buys the front end of a particular product or service that you're promoting, usually there's other products involved, and those are called upsells and downsells and stuff like that. But we'll get into more of that in another video. But you can get paid if they buy multiple products. You can get paid on all the products throughout that funnel. So you're not just getting paid on the front end if you sell something. If there's products that are related on the back end that the vendor's promoting, and 9 times out of 10 they are, you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid a commission on every single one of those sales that you refer. So it can really add up if you promote, high-paying affiliate products and services. So that's what you're going to create. You're going to sign up for a free account, and we'll just get started here on the different affiliate networks that you can sign up with, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. ClickBank, okay, they started in 1997, based out of Boise, Idaho, in the United States of America, obviously, if you're from overseas watching this video. And they have paid out somewhere in the neighborhood of $3 to $4 billion with a B to affiliates worldwide promoting their products and services. They have a huge database of products in different niches: the health and fitness niche, e-business and e-marketing, games, gardening. I mean, you name it. They got all the lucrative niches you could think of, all the big niches. They've got products and services you could promote as an affiliate and potentially earn commissions through. Like I said, when somebody clicks on that affiliate link, buys that particular product or service, you're going to get paid an affiliate commission. Excellent network. They've been around forever. You can see that I'm scrolling through here, and it tells you how to become an affiliate. All you do is click the sign up button. Pretty cut and dry. Just go through, put your name, first and last name, your address, and all that stuff. And if you're in the United States, you can even put your bank account information in and get paid direct deposit to your bank account once you make once checks are issued and you meet their criteria for payment, which you'll read more about when you sign up. But you can get payments on a weekly basis, so it's pretty awesome. You can also get checks by mail, and there's a few. I think there's a money wire transfer or something option as well. But there's a lot of different ways to get paid. There's a ton of products, and you can watch one of my previous videos, how to make money with ClickBank, I got on my channel. where I take you actually inside the marketplace and show you some of the products they have. But there's thousands of products inside this marketplace, absolutely huge. So no matter what niche you're in, you're going to be able to find a product that's going to suit your niche, that you're going to be able to monetize your blog or website, or if you're just starting out, maybe through your social networking channels, your Facebook fan page, or whatever it may be, you're going to be able to find a product that you can promote to your audience. So that's the first one, ClickBank, specializing in digital products. They do have physical products as well. I noticed some in the health and fitness niche that convert real well, that are actually weight loss pills and stuff like that. But they convert, like they're converting like crazy well right now in the coronavirus day and age when I'm filming this. But a lot of people are into health, or even more so into health and fitness than they used to be, considering what's going on in the world. Yeah, so they got both. And then there's also products that pay on a recurring commission basis, where you make a sale. You got to look for the products that offer recurring commissions. But if you make a sale, they're gonna, and that particular customer keeps reordering that product month after month, you're gonna keep getting paid month after month a commission. So that's ClickBank. Awesome products. This is probably my favorite affiliate network. You can sign up for free and find some cool products to promote for your particular business or niche or whatever you want to get involved in selling. They're going to have it on here. Another good network is Amazon. Everybody knows what Amazon is. Amazon Associates program. Now recently, I'm going to give you a heads up, they did lower their commissions from what it used to be a bit. Don't know why, but they did. But there's still a lot of money to be made with Amazon. I noticed, like in the Amazon coins, if you're promoting coins, different currencies, silver, gold, old coins and stuff like that. Amazon has a specific category for that, and they do pay 10% commissions on those, so that might be a good category. This is just an idea for you. This is one of the ones I promote, to promote like the Amazon coins, because they pay the highest, which is 10% commissions right now. I think the second highest is like 5 or 6%. It used to be higher, but they just changed it. Maybe it'll go higher again. And then I think the third highest is around 4%, I want to say. So I wouldn't go anywhere past that 4%. It's not going to be worth your time. But the Amazon coins, 10%. And I think there's luxury beauty products, I want to say, that are also pay 10% commissions, which isn't bad. And the cool thing about Amazon is everybody knows it. I buy from Amazon like all the time. I'm sure you do too. And once you sign up for it, if you want to promote Amazon, type products, this is where you're going to sign up. The Amazon Associates program, free to join. They're going to give you all kinds of banners and all kinds of widgets and stuff that you can place on. If you don't have a blog or website, get one. I'll go into that in a second here. That you can place on your blog or website, and when somebody clicks on those widgets and go over to Amazon and they buy that particular product or service that they clicked on, then you're going to get paid a commission, obviously. Now the cool thing about Amazon is they're the masters of the upsell. So they're going to be, when somebody clicks on a product and buys a product on Amazon, they might buy 5 other products. You're going to get commissions on every single one of those. They might buy 1, they might buy 10, they might buy 5, and who knows? You're not in your customer's shoes. You don't know what they're thinking or what they're buying these products for or whatever. But yeah, the fact of the matter remains that you can earn a lot of money through Amazon if you pick the right category, got the right niche, do your research and all that good stuff. Because people, like I said, people buy. They don't hesitate to buy off Amazon. I know I don't. You probably don't. And they buy more than one product usually, and you're going to get paid on every single one that you refer. So it can add up. That's the second one here. The third one, this is a really good network. This is my least favorite of the three. It's because it's kind of confusing to me. There's a lot going on. And every product that you promote, you got to get approved for, which is kind of a pain in the butt. But they got a lot of, it's called CJcom. It used to be Commission Junction, where they shortened it to CJ.com, which makes more sense. And they have a lot of big brand names. You can promote major airlines, like PetSmart, major retailers. I think Walmart and Target's on here. There's all kinds of big brand name businesses that you can promote as an affiliate. So they're definitely worth checking out. They're all free to join and find products to promote. So there you go. Those are my 3 favorite affiliate networks for you if you're looking for a cheap online business to set up from the comfort of your own home. It would be affiliate marketing. And I'm going to go over the price after I get done talking about this here, which will be in 1 second here. So CJcom, check them out. They're free. If you want to promote big brand name merchandise from the big boys, that's the one you're going to want to go with. But like I said, they're my least favorite of the 3, but they might be your favorite of the 3. So it all depends on what you're looking for exactly. And the commission structures are going to be a little bit more than Amazon, which is a plus. So check them out. Now, if you're looking to start an online business from home, like I said, affiliate marketing is the #1 business that I would recommend. I've been doing it for 13 years. It's an excellent business model. You do have to work. I mean, there's definitely a learning curve involved. It's not a bad learning curve. It's nothing that you can't handle. But there's like with anything, it's not a get rich quick scheme. You got to actually learn how to build your affiliate links, how to get traffic, and there's stuff involved where it's going to make it in the future. Once you learn how to do these steps, it's going to make it a lucrative business for you. So you're going to want to learn those steps. But to get started on your way, the first thing you're going to do is obviously sign up for one of these affiliate networks and know what kind of products are you going to want to promote. You got to ask yourself, let me back up here a minute. You're going to want to look for a niche that there's money in it. And I always recommend like the health and fitness niche, e-business and e-commerce, like a make money online type niche, or business opportunities, and like dating and stuff like that, dating sites and how to find love and all that, romance, that kind of thing. Those would be my 3 like pillar, I guess you could say, niches that always will make you money online, but you can be in some obscure little niche that has quite a bit of a following and make a killing on it too. So that's just my suggestion. You can pick one of those 3 main niches and then drill down to something that's like a sub niche of one of those main niches and find products to promote to your audience. So that's just my suggestion, but the first step would be to figure out what exactly you're going to promote, what niche you're going to be in. Second step would be signing up for one of these 3 affiliate networks or all 3 and finding related affiliate products to promote that pay the most money. Obviously, you're going to want to look for high ticket commissions, ones that pay recurring commissions, stuff like that, and they got a high gravity. Like if you're promoting ClickBank products, anything over 50 is good. But I'd recommend you watch that's why I want you to sign up for my course, where you can watch one of my ClickBank videos where I go over the gravity and show you what to look for when you're promoting ClickBank products. But that's that for that. So affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services online in exchange for a commission once they click on your personalized affiliate link. That's the basic gist of it. Now, what I recommend you need to get started is, you don't have to have this if you don't have much money, you're living on the side of a road in a little box drinking a 40. I'm just kidding, but if you don't have much money and you can't afford nothing right now, I know times are tough considering what's going on in the world, but you have an internet connection, you can always promote affiliate products like VIA, like Facebook fan pages, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, stuff like that, until VIA social networking sites, until you get a blog or a website set up. Now, if you got a little bit of money to spare, and I'm talking a little bit of money, it's not much, I recommend you start a blog or a website. I always start a WordPress blog, self-hosted. That's what I recommend. That way you got everything, and you can put all your, you can start a blog on whatever niche that you figured out you want to start a business based around, and start a blog around that. And then you can put all your related affiliate products on there. You can drive, can create content to attract visitors to your blog and all that stuff, and potentially make sales from all your affiliate products that you have on your blog or website. That's basically all you need to get started. So I'm saying on a blog or website, I mean, you can literally get started for like under $10 a month. So you're figuring like $100 investment for a whole year to run a business. That's at the bare bones. I recommend down the road, once you get a few sales under your belt, that you start an email list. And I have a recommended email service provider that I've been using for over a decade, and they're offering actually a free trial for like, I think it's a month. So you can get started with that. Check them out for free. But that's down the road. I don't want you to do that right away. Get a few sales under your belt. Learn the basics of affiliate marketing, how to create, your affiliate links, how to drive traffic, and all that good stuff to your affiliate offers. And then, get a basic understanding of it where you're starting to have some success, you're starting to see some sales roll in. And then I want you to start that email list, because that's where the majority of the money that you're going to make online is going to come from, is going to be directly from that email list. So that's another skill in itself. Not hard, but that's something you're definitely going to want to learn down the road once you get a basic understanding of this. So that's that. I'm going to leave this video right here. There's a lot more to it, but it's not a hard business to get started. It's probably one of the easiest businesses to get started from home. Like I said, there is a learning curve involved, but you can learn it kind of as you go, as you build your business. So that's why I want you to get a hold of my free course. Like I said, under this video in the video description box, click that link, sign up, and there's going to be a lot more videos that's going to go over in depth, like how to get traffic to your affiliate offers. I'm going to go into ClickBank. I'm take you inside the ClickBank customer portal, the affiliate portal, I should say. I'm going to show you a lot of the offers and the different categories they have, what to look for when promoting certain offers. I'm also going to show you another affiliate network that I like a lot, but it's related to my particular niche, which is the internet marketing niche. So it might not be related to what you're doing. It just depends, and that's called JVZoo. But I'm going to show you how to get started with JVZoo. I'm going to show you how to start up a website or blog. I'm going to show you how to start an email list. I'm going to show you basically all you need to know to get off the ground and running, and you'll have enough knowledge where you should be able to generate sales right off the bat just from watching my videos. A few sales if you put the time and effort into your business. So thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Make sure you sign up for that course. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.